Kamakailan lang nang maaresto ang Chief Executive Officer ng Careless Talent Management Company na si Jeffrey O. Dahil lang naman ito sa kakulangan ng mga kinakailangang mga papeles upang makapag-operate, gaya na lamang ng work permit, dahilan kung bakit siya ay naaresto ngunit nakakuha naman ito ng pansamantalang kalayaan sa pamamagitan ng pagpiyansa. Sa isang exclusive interview sa kanyang partner at founder ng nasabing talent company na si James Reid, ay binigyang linaw nito ang ilang mga katanungan patungkol sa nangyaring insidente. It has been rough, one of the biggest challenges so far, but we are learning a lot. Honestly, we just keep getting stronger. I was shocked, me, my family, especially my dad. We were shocked, especially with the rumors coming out. Ito ay dahil sa mga bali-balitang ang kanyang ama umano na si Malcolm ang nagsumbong at nagpakulong kay Jeff O, na nilinaw naman ng aktor. When it came out, he said, "James, what did I do?" So, he was shocked. The most simplest way to say it is that, he had nothing to do with it. And it was surprising and we can joke about it, but he was upset at what everything that was happening, and like this misunderstanding, he was upset on my behalf. Dahil sa mga legalities na kino-consider, ay hindi na muna dinetalye ng aktor ang kanyang mga sagot, pero tahasan naman niyang sinabi na walang dapat ikabahala ang mga fans ni Liza, dahil marami daw itong magagandang proyekto na paparating na talagang espesyal para sa kanilang mga tagahanga.